My name is Rahul Awasthi and I'm Director of Digital Marketing at Focus Circle Brands. Let me tell you very short about Focus Circle Brands. We have launched almost all the hats in India before we were born. That's in 1997. So apart from Delhi, all the hats are launched by us. We also work with launching various of hotels as well. We also take care of a property called Raichak on Ganges as a destination marketing. We also have launched a couple of Oberoi, Sara Star in Mumbai and various other hotels as well. Also, we do a lot of marketing for youth and try and understand them as audience as well. The recent client that we have tried doing on the online side is Arabian Nights. They are one of the largest hookah chains parlor in India. And there are various other clients that we work with. So what I'm going to do right now is share and uncover various digital marketing strategy and also various offline marketing strategies which will help you understand the various secrets to the online marketing. So let me exactly share with you the secrets of marketing to Generation Y. Now the way that we have designed this entire presentation is for you to understand is that we understand that right now most of you are students and you still are not very much okay or understand the way the digital marketing works. So the way that we have designed the entire presentation is very basic. It's very, you will at least understand the basic genericity of it. So basically there was a time when there was an age of differentiation. Now when the influence was created by the big ideas of creative agency. A lot of creative agencies will come with various big ideas, come with Youngistan campaigns and various campaigns, and of course they used to work for them. But right now the things are changing. This is the age of discovery where influence is generated when Generation Y, which is you guys, tell their stories to their friends. In next 15 minutes I'll try to uncover a few secrets of marketing to Generation Y. We will look if the brands that you guys are going to work with and the way and the ideas that you will suggest, can you suggest a social tool or can you suggest the way social tools work which will help your audience telling their own stories. Now before I start uncovering those secrets, let me tell you why should you be interested in that 3 nice little secret I'm going to share right now. You should be interested because there is one simple line which you're going to see next. It's a very nice saying by Mr. J. Paul Getty. He said, in times of rapid change, experience could be your worst enemy. Imagine we as marketers, imagine when the marketers used to market the same ideas to the Generation Y, which is now right now the Generation X, it was completely different. We may have an experience of talking to various audiences, but the times are changing completely right now. Things have totally evolving. It is in fact evolving every day by day. So basically what experience you have in the fast changing environment can prove as your worst enemy as such. Look at Rang De Basanti, how clearly they have captured Generation Y opinions. An opinion how they want to treat this country. An opinion how they want to treat this country politics. Look at 3 idiots. 3 Generation Y idiots who after breaking beer bottles and doing naughty things in front of the dean's door strongly made a point and exactly proved how their opinions really go and matter. These movies actually have very insightfully captured the opinion of young, the opinion of Generation Y, which the brands and which the other audience exactly when it related to. Many of us in the audience must have tweeted or retweeted the opinions that you guys have framed for the presenters who have showcased various of the presentation to you since morning. So you all have an opinion, and trust me, it's a very important saying that, trust me, Generation Y, everybody has an opinion. I'm asking this to all esteemed Generation X sitting in the audience right now. Think about the last time you actually have influenced a Generation Y opinion. They are not at all a conventional marketing audience. They all are opinion makers. If you can't influence them just by increasing your reach, your frequency, and your media budgets completely. So what you should be doing to exactly go and influence them, to go and change their opinions, to help your brand relate to them. Let's see right now. So basically, we have to relate with their opinion. Now when we say we mean brand. So basically, the brands need to relate with their opinion because for them, the opinion is very important. And for Generation Y, opinion does matter for them. We must have seen a lot of articles. In fact, I would like to take the conversation which was given by Mr. Tripathi 2 sessions before on how content is king. We exactly have seen various presentations. If you Google around content or anything about content, you will see various white papers, articles, research, presentations on how content is king, right? What I would like to say is let's take a different approach on it. What I would like to say is let me help you understand why content is not the king or why content is not relevant if it does not have a right context. Let me make you understand what the meaning of context is out here.